whooping cough, and you know it is on the rise here in Texas statewide. The Department of State Health Services reports more than 3,500 cases across Texas, and it comes as unvaccinated rates are spiking across the entire country and right here in Texas. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm Sally Hernandez.
And I'm Tom Miller. We have school districts here in Austin that are not the exception. Austin ISD confirming several cases of whooping cough. KXAN's Ava Brengord live with us at district headquarters with what people, parents, kids should be looking out for. Good morning.
Yeah, hey, good morning, guys. That is just not something that any parent wants to hear, right? Well, whooping cough starts off as a common cold, and then we're told it gets progressively worse into uncontrollable and severe coughing. But the best way to prevent it, we're told, is to practice good hygiene, so covering your mouth, telling your kids to cover their mouths and wash their hands, and also vaccinations. Now, according to data from the Texas Department of State Health Services, when it comes to the Tdap vaccines, which includes whooping cough, over 6.5% of Texas 7th graders and over 7% of Texas kindergartners are unvaccinated. Medical experts say they're also seeing a drop in 10-year boosters. One pediatrician that we spoke with says a contributing factor is misinformation.
There's a lot of bad information out there about vaccines. People want to do the best that they can for their kids, and so if they have any concerns, they're hearing bad things, then it's human nature, you know, that we want to be sure we're doing the good things for our kids. So what I would encourage people to do is talk to their pediatricians about the vaccine.
Now, if you're in a pinch, CVS Health says it's offering the vaccine across the state at its Minute Clinic and CVS Pharmacy locations right now. AISD warns if your child does start to develop a worsening cough, to be proactive, keep them at home, and of course, if it gets worse, take them to your healthcare provider. Sally, I'll toss it back to you.
Okay, Ava, thank you, because we wanted to let you know the difference about something else here. We're going in depth with key differences between whooping cough and croup. So whooping cough is that bacterial infection with coughing fits that may end up with a whooping sound. Croup is different. It's usually a viral infection marked by a cough, kind of a barking noise that comes out, and that's according to Stony Brook Medicine. It is also marked by a high-pitched wheezing sound and difficulty breathing.